Hi everyone, welcome to the beginning of this prompt series. In this video I will show how to add a basic prompt theme to your terminal in Windows. So let's get started. In the PowerShell, so you can see only the directory in here. There's no more details rather than the directory. So with adding the prompt theme, we are going to change the prompt using the colors and the icons, and also we can add the details of the directory, like for example we can add the details of the git to show in the prompt. So for that adding prompt theme, I'm going to use a prompt theme engine called Oh My Posh. So first of all we will head over to the Oh My Posh website. This is the landing page of Oh My Posh. In this page we can see like this button, so we can go to the theme. There are a lot of themes we can add to the terminal. Themes. We can add any of these to our terminal. So let's start the installation process. You can go to Docs and click Windows. First of all, you have to copy this, and I will open a terminal in the admin. So I'll click in here, I right click and then click the run as administrator. Paste the command I have copied. Wait few moments until it installs. Yeah, it's successfully installed. So in the installation of this Oh My Posh, it installed a couple of things: Oh My Posh exe, the Windows executable, and pre-built themes. So we can use those themes, whatever the theme you like, in our prompt. So, and also we can use those pre-built themes to create our own theme, like customizing those themes. After the installation, we have to install the fonts, because the Oh My Posh is supporting the nerd fonts. So let's move on to font section. Then Oh My Posh was designed to use nerd fonts, so we have to install nerd fonts. And one important thing is, if you doesn't like to use nerd fonts, so you have to use a theme which doesn't use the nerd fonts, because otherwise the icons and basically the theme is not visible correctly. So the best practice is to install the nerd font. When installing the nerd fonts, there are different ways to install it. One way is we can just use this Oh My Posh font install, then it will prompt us to select the font, or else we can directly paste this command to install Meslo font. I will go with this because I can show you how to select the font we like. Again, I'm going to the terminal and paste this, and I will find using the down arrow key until I will find Meslo. Press enter. Now the Meslo file is downloading. We have to wait a few moments. The font installation is successful. It has installed a lot of font families, so you can see those font families in here. So now move on to again to the dock. Then we have to configure the installed font in our terminal. So we can press Ctrl Shift and comma, so it will open the settings.json. In the settings.json profiles default section, we have to add Meslo LGM net font. I'll remove this Cascadia Mono and paste that and save and close it. Now we are going to the prompt section. In here you can select the shell you are going to configure the prompt theme. So with this command you can view the shell you are using. So I will paste that and enter. So it suggests me that I'm using the PowerShell. So I'm selecting PowerShell from this tab. So to configure the theme, I will going to edit the profile of the PowerShell. I will paste that command and it will open the configurations, and then I will add this to the last line of the PowerShell file script. This will add the basic prompt theme to the PowerShell. Paste it in here, save and close. And once I have added, reload the profile to take effect. So I will paste it, and then you will see the prompt. So this is the basic steps we have to follow to add a prompt theme to our PowerShell. So yeah, it's visually appealing, and yeah, and also it showing a lot of details, like it's showing the time. This is the end of this basic configuration of Oh My Posh. In the next lesson we can discuss about how to change the theme of the prompt and how to customize the prompts. So thank you, bye.